Hello, today we will learn about the dictionary. Earlier we have studied about sets and this is very most important to deal with in a data science. Dictionary plays very vital role here. So what is the advantages here? Dictionary has a mutually or immutability advantage. Both of them is here. Like if you want to be specify is your own uh, hashing value, then here you can define the key part whether you want to be name it your memory location with your own specific name, uh, that is here we usually define here, and that is known as key. So in a values you can change as you want. So dictionary is immutable. Dictionary is a mutable data type. It is a derived data type, Python data derived data type, and you can do some operation, and let's see how it is beneficial for us. So we have to open up Google Colab and see here. um, Here we have a dictionary. Dictionary has been defined as a key and values pair, and it is represented by curly braces. So I'm trying to run this code, and we want to be uh, call the value of name key. So what is the value here in the name? I hope so. We will found Jara. Yeah, we got it. Same thing we have got here, and then we also get here all the things like age and classes. And another next thing is to we have to update these value with a different value. So how is it possible? So just because of mutable data type, it provide to uh, updation facility to all of us. And here is key value is hashed value, means they never changed, and but value it will update on the basis of your requirement. I want to be is from 7 to 8. So let's see, uh, update it and see what is in date. And we usually get here is 8, class first, name Jara, as usual. We expected from here, and then we want to be remove some particular item. So how can I remove? So here you can see uh, key and value pair is called to be item. So that's why I said here how to remove item. So here del dict, and you name the key. So let's see how many elements we remains here in the dictionary. That is age and class. Name has been removed just by the del command, and you can also clear the entire dictionary by just command of clear. Means you can uh, let it here empty dictionary. So yeah, we have only empty dictionary. Then we can also do here the pop method. So uh, I can remove here by the pop method as well. So here, first of all, we have to run dictionary. and you can see here what we have removed in the pop method. I'll get the value here. Here is Jara. So I've not written correct code, so we have to update in my notebook. Let's update it with correct values. Okay, then we want to be traverse, and so let's see what is the item and the dictionary. So first of all, we have to run it the initial dictionary where we have defined it, and in dictionary, like here is the dictionary, and we want to be item of all elements of dictionary. So here we got a function means we have to traverse it. So it will give just a iterative function here. So let's so if like x in sorry. Sorry, this is not very correct way to I applied here list comprehension, and then after that we have to print it whatever the value we got. For x in so make it list. Let's see. We got the keys here, and same way we can get value. We got value here. We can also get the item as well in the list in the tuple form. Yeah, we got it. here. So, so why it is not possible to print? Oh, that's time we not. Um, okay, we got it. So we got all the things how the list we have iterated and key iterated value iterated. Then we also updated. You can also update first list to the second list. So as earlier we did concatenation method, here we can also update the values. So like here we have already in the keys values, that is v, and here is also v. When we update here, then v will becomes 20 to 200, and let's see how that works. And we have to update it d1 to d2, and let's see what we got in d1. So I hope so. A equal to 10, v 20 200, c 30, d 400. Yeah, that's I want. So thank you for all today, and